सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 203, verse 208. जलपाषाणमृत्काष्ठम् वास्यकुद्दालकादयः ईश्वरा सर्व एवैते पूजिताः फलदायिनः. Vidyaranya has completed the Ishvara, Sutratma and Virat. Ishvara only manifests as Sutratma in all subtle bodies. That Sutratma, the Hiranyagarbha alone, manifests in all gross mediums in the name of Virat. Sthula Prapancha is known as Virat or Vishwarupa. Having said this much, now Vidyaranya in 3 verses, that is from 206, 207, 208 and 209. In all these 4 slokas, he talks about the people who worship that Ishvara, the Paramatma, in all these forms. They are all superior only. They can worship any form, in any name. They are worshipping Paramatma only. Because Paramatma alone manifesting in all names and forms. As a sample, Acharya mentions from 206 onwards, Isha, Sutra, Virat, Brahma, Vishnu, Indra, Rudra, Vanni. From there onwards, he is enumerating that Mairala means Yamadharmaraja. Yama, the god of death. Mairala. In that 206th second line, Mairala is a Yama. Marika means the Devata of disease. Vyadhi Devata. Marika. Marika means that Devata who is the presiding deity of a disease. Disease also a Devata. So, all these Devatas, in short, we all know Muppatti Mukkodi Devatas, 33 crores of Devatas. All we cannot enumerate. So, sample he has mentioned. Then, Viprakshatriya Vaishya Sudraha. Vit means Vaishyaha. Even all Varnas, 4 Varnas also come under. If you worship anyone, it is worshipping as good as Ishvara. Everything is Ishvara. Animals, birds, Gava, Ashva, Mriga, Pakshinaha. Not only animals and birds, even trees also. Ashwatha, Vata, even neem tree you can add. Tulasi you can add. So many trees you can add. We are worshipping, pouring water to those trees and doing puja and doing kalyanam also to those trees. That Sambandhi stand opposite and they do kalyanam also to those trees. Chutadhyaha, mango trees. Then not only that, grains also. Yava, Vrihi. So all grains we consider as devatas. Then in this 208, Jalapashana, not only sentient. So 206 talks about devatas, celestials. 207 he talks about all sentient other beings, animals, birds, insects and trees. And in 208 he takes all jada padarthams, inert, insentient objects also. Like all those objects you use for cutting your vegetables and to dig the land, earth, what are the tools you use, all of them also considered as the axe, chisel, woolly, we call it as woolly, spade, all of them comes under Bhagavan only. We worship them. That's why we respect everything in this creation. It's an attitude, divine attitude towards everything. Seeing the divinity in everything is called divinization. My vision is a divine vision. When I see everything as Bhagavan, the manifestation of Ishvara, my vision is divine vision. This is called divinization. I look at everything as a divine Ishvara's manifestation. That parvai is called divinization. I convert every object into divine. It is my bhavana. Therefore, divinization, converting everything into divine, is in whose hands? In my hands only. As my samskara, as my maturity, as my mental refinement, I see everything as divine. Then what do you mean by divinization? Seeing everything divine means I respect everything in the creation. That is called divinization. There is no one, there is nothing for me to hate or to criticize. I cannot criticize anything. That is why Prahlada, Thunilum irupar, Turumbilum irupar. Eppadi irupar? Sattaha irupar. Satta matrama chalanammitini. Tyagaraja sings. In the form of Satta, in every Nama Rupa, Bhagavan is available. To get this vision, this divinization of every object, that is possible only when you born, brought up in this culture, Vaidika Dharma. A side point, even some people who are born here, they don't have divinization. From somewhere, some country, they come all the way from Italy, Germany, some Scotland, some Ireland, they come and they have divinization bhavana. In samskara, purva janma samskara. But there are very rarely people come from Western countries. But here maximum people have got that vision. After taking birth in this culture also, if I don't have that vision, adivida vere paapam enna irkum sollungo. Once the availability, the provision is available here, if I don't have that vision, where can I get? If I miss here itself, in this janma, on this land, if I miss this vision, in which land, in which janma you can get? Therefore, that vision is beautifully Vidyaranya has presented. So what? Next shloka he is talking, whomever, with whatever bhavana you worship, that much phalam comes from that devata. That shloka we will read now. Phalam. After respecting, showing reverence, after worshipping that devata in that form, whatever phalam comes is this. 209. Yatha yathopasate tam फलमीयुस्तथा तथा फलोत्कर्षापकर्षौ तु पूज्य पूजानुसारतः पूज्य पूजानुसारतः यथा यथा उपासते तम तम ईश्वरम that Ishvara, as you worship, as you do invocation, yatha yatha upasate, as you worship, as you invoke, tatha tatha phalam iyuhu, in the same way, proportionately, the phalam comes to you. Your invocation, your sankalpa, according to that proportion only. And Devata also, it is a powerful Devata, powerful power. Say, phalam comes. It is a very meager Devata, very little phalam only comes. All Devatas having their powers, like MLA, MP, Prime Minister, President, all of them are not having equal power. They have different powers. So, when you want to get something that to be done, you go to a MP or MLA or a Prime Minister, like that. Similarly, Devatas are also, there is a gradation. So, Indra is more powerful. Agni, Vayu are not much powerful. Similarly, other, you see each shloka, from top to bottom, 206 higher power, then 207 less power. You worship them, in the Vepamaram, Vatavraksham, Ashwadha Vriksham, you worship. How much phalam comes? As that Devata, Ashwadha Devata, Vriksha Devata has got power, that much phalam only she can give. Otherwise, where from they will give that phalam for you? So, as you invoke the Devata, the phalam also depends upon the capacity of that Devata. That is one point. And as you invoke, how much you offer, with what bhavana you offer, that also connects to your phalam. Okay, if you give only little puja and little one flower, one like that, dakshina also, only 10 paise, not even 25 paise. 10 paisa gone, I think, only 25 paise, not even 50 NP. Some people, that also not coming now. Okay, 1 rupee minimum. So, people, even they are able to give much, they have lot of money. Suppose they give only 1 rupee. Bhagavan says what? Only 1 rupee phalam for you. As you invoke, that's why he said, as you invoke. Even though Bhagavan said, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam, that is for Atma Jnanam, not for Sakama Karma. These are all only for Sakama Karma. Why people worship all these gods? No? To get something, some phalam, Sakama phalam, Laukika phalam. Once you want Laukika phalam, you have to give as Bali also. That means Naivedyam or Bali, even animal sacrifice. That is why we don't criticize. Animal sacrifice, once you give for God's sake, we don't criticize. But you kill animals for your bhakshanam, that is wrong. But after offering to Bhagavan, then that prasadam, like if you eat, therefore we don't criticize those people. Slowly they will mature and come out of that. Bali is also an offering to Ishvara only. After all, everything is Ishvara only. That is also what Bali you have to give also mentioned in the Shastra. That also for time being, for some time only. So only you have to mature from that. Some people do that. Therefore, here the phalam, phala utkarsha apakarshau. Phalam is having superior phalam and inferior phalam. Utkarsha means superior phalam. Apakarsha means inferior phalam. Depends upon what? Pujya pujanusarataha. Pujya means the devata. That devata is a local, grama devata, Kshudra devatas, suppose people worship, no? Rakshasas, Kshudra devatas, Yaksha, Kinnara, Gandharva, all of them give only little, they have little power, they give little phalam. Pujyahana. Pujanusarataha. The way you worship, the way you invoke, so it is counted there. With what bhavana you are invoking, with what intention you are invoking, how you are invoking, how you are offering, everything is counted, computerized. Ella chippula irukkum. So you cannot get this way and that way. Utkarsha, apakarsha. Superior phalam, inferior phalam, depends on if it is superior devata, superior phalam. And your bhavana is superior bhavana, also superior phalam. Devata is superior, your bhavana is not superior, your puja anusara is not proper. Suppose, what to do? Phalam also apakarsha. If it is utkarsha puja devata, utkarsha phalam. So in Malayalam, it seems they say, Bhagavan says, I want bhakti, not vibhakti, annara. Vibhakti, grammar I don't see whether you chant mantras in which linga, which gender, I don't mind, even though there is some difference. Doesn't matter. I want bhakti, not vibhakti. Pujanusarataha. So, yatha yatha upaste tatheva. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha shraddhayarchitum ichchati tasya tasyachalam shraddham tameva vidadhamyaham. Care of Bhagavad Gita. He reminds here Acharya. Then next shloka we'll read. With this, Ishvara's description is over, and Ishvara's worship also, phalam, also over. Saguna Ishvara in different forms, whatever form you like, you can worship. Therefore, we are not fanatics, holding on to only one form, the one method. We have, it's like a, what you can call, Kamadhenu store. Kamadhenu store madre, appo Moor market, ipo Moor market illa nenikare. Everything is available in Moor market. Now you can say Kamadhenu. Everything is available. Madre, Hinduism is like a mall, big mall, God's mall. Hinduism, where many gods are available to worship. That freedom, the facility. You can worship any god in any name. You will get phalam with what intention you worship. With what you want, he will give. Bhagavan, for what sake? Only for that sake only. Tadhastu, 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 he says. Now that topic is over. Ishvara, tatpada, vichara is over. Now comes to asipada, vichara, aikyam. Because tvam-pada over, tvam-pada over, tatpada over, but how much we have? We have to remember. Jiva, Vyashti Jiva, components 3. Samashti Ishvara, components 3. RC, RM and Kutastha. OC, Brahma, and again RC, RM at Ishvara level. This much we have prepared and kept ready. Now what? Gatti Melam. Asipada Vichara Aikyam. 210, page 204. Muktistu Brahma Tattvasya Jnanadeva na chanyatha Swaprabodham vina naiva Swaswapno hiyate yatha from 210 onwards up to 246. Aikya or Asipada Vichara. Brahma Kutastha Aikya Jnanam. The topic. 210. That means 22 to 203 Tvampada Vichara Visa. Totally nearly 81 slokas. Tvampada. 22 to 103. Then 104 to 209 Tatpadartha. Ishvara Vichara. Nearly 106 slokas we have completed. Where in the 6th chapter. So many slokas over, verses over. Now, Aikya Vichara. Muktihi tu Brahma Tattvasya Jnanad eva nacha anyatha. This worshipping Lord Ishvara and all, you get only worldly benefits. Iha amutra phalam. Either in this world some phalam you get, or in higher lokas you may get some phalam through Saguna Ishvara Upasana. Worshipping the Lord with attributes. You get only finite results. But you won't get mukti at all. The Upasana gives only Chitta Shuddhi and some phalam. That phalam also only finite, parimitam, limited phalam. It has got some limitation. It will not give paripurnata. It will not give satisfaction. It will not give total ananda. It will not give you total security. Then what gives paripurnatvam, anandam, security? Only jnanam. That's what he says. Muktihi tu. Whereas liberation, Brahma Tattvasya, this tu is for what? Muktistu. That Ishvara's worship in Muppatti Mukkodi or different gods, they are all not going to give self-knowledge or Atma Jnanam or Moksha. The Mukti, liberation, is possible not by Ishvara's worship, only by coming to Panchadashi class. That's what he says. Muktistu Brahma Tattvasya. Brahma Tattva means here Brahma Kutastha. Brahma Tattvasya Brahma and Kutastha Aikya Jnanat. Jnanadeva. Aikya Jnanat. I have understood Kutastha, who is RC, RM plus OC. And I have understood Ishvara also. What? RC, RM plus Brahma I have understood. But you understand Vyashti, Samashti separately, no use. You have to understand their oneness. Which point they are one. RC of Vyashti, reflected consciousness, Vyashti Jiva, and Ishvara, that RC cannot have identical. They are not identical. They cannot have aikyam. Can RM and RM can have aikyam? RM means this Shariratrayam, medium, Upadhi, Jiva Upadhi, and Ishvara Upadhi, that is big medium. Can mediums have aikyam? Not possible. Because this side RC is small because of small medium. Ishvara's side RC is big RC Chidabhasa because of big medium. Ishvara is Sarvagnaha, Jiva is Alpagnaha, Ishvara is Sarvavyapi, Jiva is Alpavyapi, Ishvara is Swami, Jiva is Dasaha. Therefore, from RC standpoint, both of their aikyam is not possible. From RM standpoint, Upadhi standpoint also limitation is there. It's not possible, aikyam. Then only Pariseshan Nyayena, only one left out. that is OC. Kutastha from Jiva side, Brahma from Ishvara's side. That is Kutastha Brahma is the Adhishtanam. Kutastha is the Adhishtanam of Jiva Upadhi. Brahma is the Adhishtanam of Ishvara Upadhi. That Adhishtana Chaitanyam, OC is one and the same. There is no any difference. So Bhaga, Tyaga. RC Bhaga, RM Bhaga, you have to do Tyaga. Intellectually. Bhaga Tyaga Lakshanaya. Having done Bhaga Tyaga Lakshana, who remains in Kutastha Brahma remains. That is called Brahma Tattvasya Jnanat. Brahma Tattvasya Kutastha Brahmanoho Jnanat. Aikya Jnanat. Na anyadha muktihi asti. There is no other shortcut method. No option. There is no choice. There is no choice. Like in exam time, now children, they give choice. Any difficult question is there, they drop. All easy questions they attempt first. That difficult question you drop. Choice is there. 10 questions they give. You write 6 questions or 5 questions, 4 questions, you can leave it. Like that, can we have any choice here? Swamini, 2 not 9 enough for me. Because I am very happy, comfortable in puja, punaskaram and all. Bhagavan is giving something and I am enjoying. Okay, continue for next birth also. All the best. Next birth you attend. But I don't come. You attend another puja, temple, worship, again and again continue. No choice, no option. It is must. That is why na anyatha muktihi asti. Unless you attend Vedanta class and study Prasthanatrayam, there is no mukti. Swamini, what you said when we were studying Bhagavad Gita itself sufficient for mukti, you said. Now you are telling, one student asked me, Swamini, you said Bhagavad Gita itself is sufficient for mukti. Then you asked us to come to Upanishad, therefore I came Upanishad also. After coming Upanishad, I am attending because of your suggestion. And after coming to Upanishad class, you are telling Brahma Sutra also. After attending Brahma Sutra also, you are telling me Prakarana Grandhas are also very important. Everything is important, you are telling. What to do? You have to study. So when you go to college, you cannot ask the lecturer, I want to attend only to this class, other subjects and all I don't want. What he says, all are included. This is a course. Course la ellame included. How many marks you want? I want full marks. You want full marks, World Cup, quarter final going on. Apro semi-final, apro final. So you want World Cup, I want quarter finals enough, cup varadilliyo. In semi-finals lo kuda varadu, finals lo da cup e varum. Adu madri Upanishad is a quarter finals. Bhagavad Gita is quarter finals. Upanishad is semi-finals. Brahma Sutra is finals. In between, you have to do practice. What is that? Prakarana Grandha. Suppose in that leave time, when you are relaxing, at that time you don't practice, what will happen? You will fail in quarter finals and semi-finals. You have to do practice. That is the Prakarana Grandha. Puriyadam. Nama World Cup enna? Moksha. Na anyatha muktihi asti. Brahma Tattvasya Jnanat Anyatha. Therefore, attend as many classes as possible. Not possible, CD is there. Anyhow, you can switch on, switch off anytime, whatever you want. Veetla irundha Swamini, shut your mouth, shut. Whenever you want, you can shut the mouth of Swamini, you can open the mouth of the Swamini. It is in your hands. Like that also provision is there. Somehow you have to assimilate. Okay. Like what? Like what? Swaprabodham vina naiva swaswapnaha hiyate. Yatha, just as. Second line. Yatha swaprabodham vina. Without awakening to your wakerhood. Swaprabodham. You yourself have to wake up from the pratibhasika swapna. Prabodham vina. Without waking up. Your own waking up from what? Swaswapnaha naiva hiyate. Your own dream. Pratibhasika swapnam will end when you wake up. Swaswapna, your own dream. You are in dream. If your husband wake up, what is the use? You are struggling with nightmare, and because of dream, you are struggling in the dream. So you have to wake up from your dream. That's why swaswapna swaprabodham. If I feel hungry, I am eating. Adu madri, I am suffering in the dream, pratibhasika satyam, dream, swaswapnam. From your own dream, you alone have to wake up. Swaswapna nahiyate, will not go away until swaprabodham. Without you, the waker has to come out of that dreamer status. Swaprabodham vina, without waking up, pratibhasika to vyavaharika. Pratibhasika, dream, projected dream to relative, waker, vyavaharika, jagrat purushaha. How many dreams you might have got yesterday night? No? You have woken up. You have come out of your dream. Like that, you have to come out of this vyavaharika swapna. From pratibhasika swapna, you have to wake up to wakerhood, vyavaharikam. Pratibhasika to vyavaharikam, you have to wake up to come out of dream problems. Nightmare, all dream problems, you have to wake up. Similarly, from vyavaharika waker to paramarthika turiya atma, you have to wake up. This is also, vyavaharikam is also like a swapna. Now question may arise, that is dream. From the dream I will wake up to my wakerhood. Because it is a dream, it is not real. But how can you compare wake up from vyavaharika to pratibhasika? Idena swapnama enna? That is swapnam, therefore I have to wake up. From swapna, it is not real, I have to wake up to my wakerhood, I am a real waker. But this whole world is not a dream. How can I wake up from this dream? Vyavaharika to paramarthika, waking up you are telling, is it a dream? Is it a dream? Vidyaranya says, yes. This is also a dream. How? Next shloka. Advitiya Brahma Tattve Swapno Yamakhilam Jagat Isha Jivadi Rupena Chetana Chetanatmakam. Akhilam Jagat, this entire universe, Akhilam means this entire Jagat, universe. What type of universe is this? Chetana Achetanatmakam. It is of the nature of sentient and insentient. Chetana means sentient, living beings. Achetana, insentient, inert, jadam. Chetana, jada, atmakam. Its nature is that. Akhilam Jagat. Whatever you see what? Moving and non-moving. Living and non-living. You are seeing that only. Akhilam Jagat. What is there other than these two? Okay? Akhilam Jagat Chetana Achetanaatmakam. What is this universe? Vidyaranya is telling, Advitiya Brahma Tattve Isha Jivadi Rupena. Upon that Advitiyam Brahma, Advitiya means non-dual, secondless. Advitiyam. Brahma Tattve, Brahman, the Chaitanyam, the consciousness. Brahma Tattve, the Chaitanyam Brahma, the reality. Brahman, the reality, the substratum, the source. Upon that Brahman, Jiva, Isha Jivadi Rupena, Akhilam Jagat. The whole universe is in the form of what? Ishvara Rupena, Jiva Rupena. Ishvara Rupena means what? That slokas, previous slokas. Ishadi Stamba Paryantam. The entire objective universe. Then I the Jiva. Tell me, what is there in the universe other than this? Uppatti Mukkodi, 3 slokas, what we said? Ishvara. What about the one who is worshipping Jiva? Now tell me, other than Ishvara and Jiva, who are all there? Nobody is there. Whatever you see, it comes under Ishvara. And the mood slokam gnapakam. What are the numbers? 206, 7, 8. 206, 7, 8 Ishvara. Put together universe. Yena chisel kuda vidala stone, custom, stick, ellame vichitaru. From Devatas onwards, whole thing is Ishvara. So whatever you see is Ishvara. Isn't it? That is why when you buy everything, you put koncham buttu. Illaya? Yenna, we worship it. It is also Ishvara. Everything is Ishvara. Then you the worshipper, Jiva. Now, Jiva, Ishvara, only 2 are there. No third thing. So, Ishvara Jivadi Rupena Advitiye Brahma Tattve Sakram Jagat Akhilam Jagat Kalpitam is superimposed. Chetanam Achetanam Jagat. Ayam Swapnaha. The entire universe, which is inert and sentient, which is in the form of Ishvara and Jiva. Now tell me, where is Jiva? I am the Jiva, worshipper, invoker. What is invoked by me is Ishvara. I invoke everything. Nama Paityam Adida. Because everything is Ishvara. I invoke everything. So, the Jiva is also Brahma and Ishvara is also Brahma. What else is there? Akhilam Jagat is nothing but Ishvara and Jiva. So, subject and object. Everything is nothing but originally Kutastha Brahma. Only. This RC, RM, unreal. They are Anadi, beginningless. Chidabhasa and mediums of Jiva and Ishvara both are Anadi, beginningless. But they are Mithya. Ada. Nama Rupa is Vyavaharikam. Now Ishvara is Vyavaharikam and Jiva is also Vyavaharikam. Therefore, entire Jagat is Vyavaharikam. Vyavahara Yogyam. That's why Vyavaharikam. This whole Vyavaharika Prapancha is Ishvara Rupena, Jiva Rupena Vartate. It is appearing. Dreamer appeared upon whom? Dreamer is none other than Waker. Waker alone appearing as dreamer. Similarly, Brahman alone appearing as Ishvara and Jiva. Brahman alone appearing as Ishvara and Jiva. What is Ishvara's real nature? Brahman. Ishvara's OC is what? Brahma. Adi marakkala illayo? Chatur Vidya Prakaranam. Jiva's original nature is what? Kutastha. So Kutastha and Brahma both are identical. That is called Brahma Tattve. Upon Brahma Tattvam, Kutastha Brahmani Jiva Rupena Samashti Brahmani Ishvara Rupena Adhyastam. The names of Ishvara and Kutastha, name of Ishvara and Jiva are nothing but unreal. Ishvara name is given to Samashti Brahma. Jiva name is given to Kutastha Jiva here. Jivan, avanike Kutasthan. Kutastha Jiva. Kutastha is original. Jiva, RCRM is unreal. Clear? Am I reaching you? Okay? Kutastha and Brahma is the Tattvam. That is the real. Waker is real. Dreamer is superimposed upon the waker. Therefore, waker has forgotten I am a waker, so he has taken himself as a dreamer. Now, the waker, this waker, Jiva, has to understand that I am Kutastha. The entire universe is Brahman only. So, Ishvara, the entire universe, Ishvara, and the Jiva, both of us are superimposed upon Brahman, that Brahman is my real nature. Therefore, I have to come out of this world dream. I have to come out of this world dream. There, if you wake up from the sleep, you come to wakerhood. Here, that naturally happens. Inge naturally nadakadu. You have to come to the class and study years together, then only it happens. It happens, I hope so. That is what he says. Isha Jivadi Rupena Advitiye Brahmatattve Akhilam Jagat Chetana Acetanatmakam Akhilam Jagat Ayam Swapnaha. This is a dream. From that dream, you have to wake up. You are a waker. This waker is also dreaming what? Ishvara, Swami, Apane, Jiva, calling Ishvara. This is also a dream. Whole thing is a dream. When the dream is a dream, when can you say dream is a dream? When you wake up. Dream is real for dreamer in dream. Dream is real for dreamer in dream. Dream is not unreal for dreamer in dream. Dream is not unreal for dreamer in dream. Dream is real for dreamer in dream. Real? Dream is unreal when the dreamer is wake up to his original wakerhood. At that time only dream is unreal. Until that time dream cannot be unreal. Similarly, wakerhood is real in waking state. Wakerhood in waking state is not unreal for waker. Waker is not unreal for waker in waking state. Waker, you are all waker or not now? Waker. Jagrat Purushaha. Waker is not unreal for waker in waking state. Waker is unreal only when the waker wake up to his original Turiya Atma nature, Brahman nature. How to wake up? Jnanam. That waking up happens only by Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. So the waker's waking state is not unreal for waker. That is also a dream. Waker's waking world, which is a dream, is a dream when the waker is waking up to his real nature. So waking world is a dream when the waker is waking up to original Advitiya Atma Swarupa. Until you wake up to your real nature, you the waker, the world dream is satyamo satyam. Parama satyam. Dreamer ki dream satyama illaya? Waker ki kuda waking world is satyam. Dreamer ki dream is asatyam when he becomes waker. Waker's dream world is, this waking world is asatyam when he wakes up to Turiya Atma. Unless you recognize I am Brahman and make this world is mithya, you can never wake up from this waking world, which is also a dream. Not like a dream, also a dream. It is a dream. When you say that, only when you become a Gnani. Until that, you are in dream. Understand? Now you are all in dream. As long as you are in Waker status. Waker is in a second dream. Dreamer is in first dream. Waker has gone to dreamer state is a first dream. Now the Waker himself without sleep. Appa, that is the greatness. Inge sleep theva illa. Enna sleep? Ajnana timira andhasya. Ajnana vanangara timiram, that itself is called sleep. Compared to sleep. Therefore, wake up out of ajnanam. Come out of ajnanam. Therefore, what? Attend classes by class and class again and again. That is that dream. Now, class is in which? Class is in which Swapna? Swapna number 1 or Swapna number 2? Class is going on. Swapna number 2. Guru is also Swapnika Purusha. Guru status is Swapnam. Shishya status is Swapnam. So what is that is coming out of Swapnam? Guru is one who recognizes I am Atma. Shishya has to recognize I am Atma. Then both of them are beyond dream. Number 2. Okay. Anandamaya Vijnanam Mayau Ishvara Jivakau Mayaya Kalpita Vetau Tabhyam Sarvam Prakalpitam. See the crux of teaching. Are you enjoying? I am enjoying thoroughly. I hope you also. Now he says, Kalpitam is like a dream. How can you say it is dream? Vidyaranya asking, why not? It is also a dream. Why not? Look into this. Anandamaya Vijnanamayau. Anandamaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha. Here Anandamaya means Maya, RM of Ishvara. Anandamaya is the RM of Ishvara. Then Vijnanamayau. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. Dvivachanam. Not Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvivachanam Pradhama Vibhakti. Ananda Vijnanamayau. Pradhama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Vijnanam Mayaha means Jivaha. Anandamaya Vijnanamayau Ishvara Jivakau. அவரே சொல்றார், நான் சொல்ல வேண்டாம். ஈஸ்வர ஜீவகௌ ரெஸ்பெக்டிவ்லி. ஆனந்தமயா இஸ் ஈஸ்வரः, விஜ்ஞானமயः இஸ் ஜீவः. ஈஸ்வர ஜீவகௌ. So what? மாயையா கல்பிதௌ ஏதௌ. These two are Ishvara and Jiva. Ishvarahood, Jivahood, both of them are kalpitau. They are just kalpitam, imagined, superimposed. Mayaya, because of Maya. How dreamer has come? Waker became dreamer. What is the condition? Just like that, Waker cannot become dreamer. Tell me what is the condition? Ideal condition for Waker to become dreamer? Sleep. Sleep. Here, Maya. Maya is the ideal condition for this Brahman to appear as Ishvara and Jiva. Nidra is the ideal condition for the waker to appear as a dreamer and dream objects. Dreamer and dream objects. Ange rendu irukku. Inge kuda Maya is the condition in whose presence the Brahman ange waker. Here Brahman, Turiya Nirgunam Brahma is appearing as two ange dream objects and dreamer. Here Jiva, the waker, and Ishvara, the entire universe. And the three shlokas you have to remember. Ishvara means Mayaladhan irkar Swamini anna. Namakku mela illa. Ella edathila irkar. Object universe. Ishvara Jiva kau kalpitam mayaya. So this Brahman has become what? Jivaha. And the waker became dreamer because of sleep. Here because of Maya, Brahman as though really became. Hey, waker really became dreamer? Waker really became dreamer or just as though? As though. Here also, Brahman appearing as Jiva and Ishvara because of Maya condition as though. There is no real becoming as though. It is unreal, mithya. If it is satyam, suppose, dreamer is satyam, enna suffering, oh suffering. Nightmare will not end if dreamer is real. Thank God, dreamer is unreal. Dreamer wakes up to his wakerhood. Similarly, the jivahood, this wakerhood is also unreal. It is not real. It is not real at all. How much percent it is not real? Tell me. Dream, how much percentage is unreal? Cent percent or 1%? How much percent? What is cent percent unreal? Dreamer. Dreamer is cent percent unreal. Shastra says waker is also, waker jiva who is worshipping Ishvara, both are 100% unreal. And a dream objects unreal, dreamer unreal. Here Ishvara, the Jagat, and the worshipper Jiva, both are 100% unreal. When you can say boldly it is unreal? Only when you wake up. Tabhyam sarvam prakalpitam. Tabhyam means Jiva, Ishvara. Because of these two, micro level Jiva, macro level Ishvara, both of them they are not separate. Only one Brahma. A dream objects and dreamer both are different. Inge dreamer irkano, ange dream elephant irukku. Amma? Yes or no? Where dreamer is, dream elephant is there. Where dreamer is, dream house is there. Where dreamer is, there dreamer deposits are also there. Adi panam. So dreamer is unreal. Dreamer and the dreaming object money, unreal. So dreamer how much unreal? Dream money how much unreal? Adla edha difference irka? Inna dreamer and dream objects, their reality la any difference is there? Ivar one 50% real. Our 10% objects only, dream objects are 10% real and solla mudiyuma? Dreamer and dream objects are same order of reality, therefore both of them have same unreality. Both of them are same. Similarly here Ishvara and Jiva. Ishvara is koncham higher real Swamini. அப்படி வந்து சொல்லாதுங்க சுவாமி. ஈஸ்வரன் போய் அன்ரியல் சொல்றார். If you say Ishvara is real, it is as good as saying dream objects are real. If you say dream Ishvara is real if you say, Jiva, I am unreal. Okay, Swami, I accept. Ishvara unreal, I cannot swallow. அந்த வார்த்தை சொன்னாலே எனக்கு என்னமோ கூசுறது உடம்புன்னா தெரியுதா, கூசுறது என்ன அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு என்ன. If you say Ishvara is real, Jiva is less real, it is same as good as saying dream objects are more real, dreamer is less real மாதிரி தான். நீங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்க, ட்ரீம் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ட்ரீமர் both of them equally unreal. அதே தான் இங்கே கூட. ஈஸ்வரா அண்ட் ஜீவா ஆர் சேம், ஈக்குவலி வாட், ஈக்குவலி, அது நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன், நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். ஈக்குவலி unreal. From which standpoint? From Atma, Brahma standpoint. I the awarer, I am the consciousness standpoint, they are unreal. Not from the waker standpoint. Living so and so place and so motherhood, husbandhood vechindi unreal and sollave mudiyadu. Clear? From waker standpoint, Ishvara, Jiva are not unreal, they are real. From Atma, now who are you? You are the waker or Turiyatma? Ball is in your court. Are you waker or Turiyatma? If you say waker, struggle continues, drama continues. If you say, I am not waker, I am Chaturtha Pada, Nantah Pragnam, Na Bahish Pragnam, No Bhayatah Pragnam, Turiya Atma, in me, the Tritiyah Pada, Dvitiyah Pada, Pradhamah Pada are resting. Karana Ishvara, Karya Jiva, both are resting upon me. I am Paramarthika Satyam. Vaker is Vyavaharika Satyam. To understand Paramarthika Brahma Aham Turiya Atma, in which avastha you understand? Paramarthika avastha or in Vyavaharika? Vyavaharika. In Vyavaharika class is in Vyavaharika or Paramarthikam? Vyavaharika class you understand Paramarthika, Turiya, Atma, Ahamasmi. புரியுறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Then what is the job of this Ishvara and Jiva? என்னதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா இந்த ஜீவா ஈஸ்வரன்? ரெண்டு ஜாப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. என்னென்ன? ஈக்ஷணாதி பிரவேசாந்தாம் சிருஷ்டிரீஷேன கல்பிதாம் ஜாக்ரதாதி விமோக்ஷாந்தஹ சம்சாரோ ஜீவ கல்பிதஹ. Ishvara doing his own job, Jiva doing his own job. First line is Ishvara's job. Ikshanadi praveshantaha. Ikshanadi, visualizing, sa aikshata lokan srijayiti. Aitareya Upanishad. Recently we have completed. Tasya trayam avasatha. All this, the srishti. Ishvara does Ikshanam, then pravesha, anupravesha. Srishtihi ishena kalpitam. Srishti job is Ishvara's job. Then what this Jiva does? Jiva jagradadi vimokshantaha. This Jiva is waking until moksha, struggling. Jagradadi, Jagrad, Swapna, Sushupti. Again, Jagrad, Swapna, Sushupti. Again, Jagrad, Swapna, Sushupti. Until what? Until getting moksha. Until Jiva gets moksha, mokshantaha. Ideda. Ayaram, Gayaram. Ayaram, Gayaram. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. Jagradavastha to Swapnavastha to Sushutyavastha. Again, Jagradavastha to Swapnavastha to Sushutyavastha. Ippunna Jagradavastha. வீட்டுக்கு போய் கொஞ்ச நேரம் தூங்குறது சொப்னாவஸ்தா, அப்புறம் சுஷுப்தி சொப்னா சுஷுப்தி. என்னதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? மோட்சம் வர வரைக்கும் அகம் துரிய ஆத்மா, எனக்கு ஜாகிரதை கிடையாது, சொப்னமும் கிடையாது, சுஷுப்தியும் கிடையாது. ஐ ஆம் த அதிஷ்டானம் ஆஃப் ஜாகிரத் ஸ்வப்ன சுஷுப்தி ஸ்புடதரா யா சம்வித் விஜృంభతే அகம் பிரம்ம அஸ்மி. ஸோ ஜீவா இஸ் டூயிங் திஸ் ஜாப், ஈஸ்வரா இஸ் டூயிங் பிரவேச அனுப்பிரவேச ஜாப். ஸோ 2 பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க, ட்ராமா நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. அவர் நம்ம கர்மா பண்ணலன்னா அவருக்கு வேலை இல்லை, அவர் சிருஷ்டி பண்ணாத நமக்கு கர்மா எக்ஸாஷன் ஆகும். 2 பேர் கண்ட்ராக்ட் பிஸ்னஸ், ஜாயிண்ட் அட்வென்ச்சர்னா. பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.